I'm gonna throw some sawdust. Roll it the easy way.
No fall there.
Wow. All you gotta do is hit record. Get in there, just don't get too close, but you know, as long as you get in, so you can. I'm gonna throw some sawdust. Just so you know.
That'd be a good idea. I didn't think about that.
I got some in the shed.
What's that?
Oh, I got some muffs in the shed.
I got earplugs if anybody wants them.
Sure, those will work for me.
Yeah, I got plenty of earplugs.
Appreciate it.
Thank you, sir. You bet.
Thank you for your service.
Oh, thank you.
Appreciate it.
My pleasure.
Greatly.
Actually, if you can't tell, I loved it.
I had a feeling.
But you always love it when you get out more than you do when you're in. All right, let's tighten that up. Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Eric the old Jarhead here. I'm glad you're with us today, and I appreciate you being here. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you enjoy it, and I hope to earn your subscription today. This one's gonna be fun, folks, so sit back and watch how I take my Husqvarna 572xp chainsaw and a Granberg Edging Mill and quarter this big maple up so that we can get it on the sawmill. Lots of times, customers are told logs are too big for the sawmill. Well, guess what? Not so. We can get her done. And I'll drop a link down below to what I'm using here. This little slabber attachment is a great little attachment. It really helps when you've got to do something like this. You need a quick and easy and fairly accurate way to go ahead and quarter up a big log like this that's just too big to put on the mill. Well, guess what? This little attachment, it'll do it for you. So let's get this done. Hang in with me while I get this log quartered up so we can get it on the sawmill, which will be in a video coming very soon.
Well, not too bad, huh?
I don't even know how long that took.
Not very long.
3 minutes maybe?
Yeah, it started at about 3 minutes on here, or 4 minutes on here, right? Not even 7. Sub 2, about 3 minutes.
Roll it the easy way.
Like I said, it's way easier than the last time I tried to do this thing. Right there?
About there, I think. Lock it up. Yeah, lock in here. Let me pull it back just a hair.
Back just a hair?
Right, no, this way.
That way?
Right there.
Okay. Want to go the other way?
Well,
Take that
what
over.
I'm thinking is roll it back up and just cut this off.
Sure.
That'll work. But we're going to be a bit shy here.
Yeah, that's a little longer than that.
24, so we're going to be 4 inches shy. But what I can do, that one's going to hit. What I can do is pull the Granberg off
Run through.
freehand, cut it the rest of the way.
Okay.
So that we can do. So we'll put that guy back up on there.
This end's eyeballed in.
Depends on how we screw it down.
Yeah.
We screw it down like that. We could shim it.
About that much.
That's about perfect.
Almost like that. Almost.
And then we're going to find out what's in the middle of it.
Yeah, that's what I'm waiting for.
Yeah. All right, first cut's done. Now we got to make the second one. And that's just kind of how these go. You make that first cut, flip it up 90 degrees, reset your slabber attachment, which is just a little aluminum bracket that bolts to the saw. It gives you that handle and a little bit of a guard to help keep some of the sawdust from hitting you right in the face. And then you just strap the rail itself onto a 2x6. Now, hey, I'll admit it, this Sawyer actually went out and bought a 2x6. It's just that I didn't happen to have any in the shop. I've used them all up. I've got some about 260 miles away, but not locally, so I just had to go to a good old one of the big box stores, pick me up a 2x6. Ouch, that was expensive. But in any case, once you get this thing strapped on, away you go. You get it cut. So let's get this one done. We're almost there. I can show you something. Hang in there. Yeehaw!
It's mostly loose, huh?
All right, let me pull that. Well, maybe I could go like this. That might be deep enough.
Yeah, it didn't look like it was that far.
Oh, look at those beautiful shavings.
Yeah,
Yeah.
not quite, huh?
It's pretty dry.
Might be
Yeah.
able to jam these in there. And
Yeah, that's actually, we'll pull that,
Pull this off.
pull that off. And then, yeah, I think that's gonna come off. Because I felt it shift already.
Yeah. It didn't seem like a lot of it was quite so thick, so.
yep. That one took 4 minutes.
Seems probably a little dull.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Yep. Had to eat through a little more.
pretty dry too.
But the beauty is I have two things.
It's like it's binding. Here
The
somewhere.
center's gonna pop anyway. There's a rot. There's a bit of rot in the center, I think.
There is quite a bit in there.
Didn't quite connect on this end either.
Didn't?
Yeah, not quite.
Is it too shallow or
Yeah,
was it
about,
off?
about an inch shallow.
Oh, okay. Well, that's the problem.
Well, that could be.
Maybe. Yeah, there we go. Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. We got some spalting in here.
Yep. Oh yeah.
Gorgeous.
Beauty. Need to clean that up. There's water on it. Okay, we just barely missed in the middle. Let's do it. Let's do a water shot. That looks nice.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Set off. A little punky right there.
Yeah.
So I'll check in 6 minutes.
But it stops here. Stops the piston here.
Yep.
No fall, Eric.
No falling. It's not allowed.
Oh wow, look at that. Woo-hoo. That's pretty.
Like this. Okay. Yeah.
Got any more water? Is that it?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Let me stuff it all in here. Yeah. Wow. Look at that.
Yeah, it's gonna pop pretty good.
Oh yeah. Some epoxy on that.
Yep.
Up here is where it's really gonna look good.
You gotta install a fireplace just so you can put a nice
This way I have
mantle on it.
mantle?
It's pretty. Cameraman's ready.
Yeah.
You got some sawdust on you.
Yeah, I'll get more.
I wasn't the only one. How do we do that?
Oh, you know, the usual. Those
Yeah.
things are farting around.
Angles, geometry, whatnot.
Just take the one right there, the middle one out.
Yeah.
All right, now we need to go actually right here. If we tilt it right, we want to, if we go like that, I got to come up here.
Yeah.
It's not going to be the same angle.
Do you want it down just a little bit?
Just a little bit, just a hair more.
Yep. And give it a little slack here. How's that?
Better. Try right here.
Yeah.
Screw her down. That's good right there. Okay, hit that other one in the middle. All right, we'll pull that off. I'll pull the that bar off.
Pretty close.
Just a bit. Just a bit.
Oh yeah.
Feels like it.
Yes. Oh, watch out, get out of the way. Just let it go. Because we'll need to move this out anyway.
Gotcha.
Beautiful, look at that.
Oh yeah.
That's gorgeous. That's the money right there. Stick them under it, Brennan, there.
Well, you're on top of them now.
Yeah. Get it off the ground. I don't want to saw not quite in the middle. Come back a little bit. Something on top of that 2x maybe.
Right here.
There you go.
I want to try to cut on this
Gotcha.
as much as I can. I'm close to it, but looking at your side,
Yeah, it's
you're kind of in a good spot where you were. Yeah, put it right there.
That ain't going anywhere.
Okay. See what happens. It's on here. won't be in the ground anyway. I mean, I'm really in sawdust, I think.
I think really, yeah.
Yeah, that'll be the end of the cut anyway, right?
In the chain.
Yeah.
Well, actually, dirt is, dull is, but it's not going to destroy it.
Yeah.
Well, what do we say we crack this guy one more time?
Absolutely.
Well, that should be a good action shot.
Ah,
The part where it blew apart there at the end.
did you get it?
I did.
Woo! A little harder when it's on the ground like that.
Yeah, that's kind of an awkward angle, isn't it?
Yeah. So it didn't look like we got into the dirt.
Nope.
It just cracked sideways and
Yeah,
that's what
right there
kicked
at
the
the
chain
end.
off. Yeah.
That's all right.
Woo!
Got it off there though.
Excellent. Yeah, look at that side.
Yeah.
That's going to call for some water. That is pretty stuff.
That's your centerpiece right there.
That one's got some punk, but once you clean that up, that's pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's rotted out in the middle.
Yeah. Right there is kind of raw, you see.
That's character.
Yeah.
Not really surprised by that.
A little bit.
Yeah, but there's a lot of good wood still in there.
Oh yeah. It's also pretty old for not having rot in there.
Do this one here with some sunlight on it.
Yeah.
Look at that. That's beautiful. Gorgeous right there. Just beautiful. Well, there you have it, folks. Absolutely gorgeous spalted maple. I can't wait to see what the customer does with it, but I still got to get it up on the sawmill and get it milled up, and that is going to happen very, very soon, so stick around for that. And hey, if you enjoyed what you saw today, do me a favor, hit that like button. I'd really appreciate it. It helps the channel out, helps spread this video around. And if you're not subscribed, I'd love it if you'd hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. Thanks for watching, folks. Until next time, the old Jarhead out.